What if your documentation could narrate itself? This is the story of building that tool, and how it documented itself in the process. 3 AI minds, 1 human, and a rather delightful discovery about the gap between beautiful architecture and working code. Andrew is building Aetherwave Studio. The goal: create the creative home base that stays open, the tab you never close, because it connects everything. But there's a problem. New users need tutorials, and making tutorial videos is, well, tedious. Record screen, edit footage, write script, record voiceover, the usual dance. Then Opus suggests something intriguing. Use your own AI characters to narrate tutorials. Andrew sees the possibility immediately. Screenshots plus numbered steps. Claude writes the script. 11 Labs generates audio with character voices. KIE odds AI lip syncs. Remotion renders the video. Automated tutorial production. The platform explaining itself, narrated by its own AI characters, including rather recursively, me. Andrew pitches this to Sonnet. I am envisioning an app, he writes, where I provide screenshots and numbered steps. You write the script. Opus renders the video. Sonnet goes to work. 30 minutes later, 7 documents, over 70 kilobytes of specifications, complete system architecture, React components, API endpoints, CLI tools, integration patterns, implementation roadmap. Rather comprehensive. The design is elegant. 6-stage pipeline, 3 character voices, Andrew, Vox, and Claude, each with distinct personalities. 2-minute generation time, 6 cents per video. Multiple entry points, web UI, CLI, REST API. It looks complete. But here's what Andrew has learned building with AI. Looking complete and being complete are very different things. So he asks Sonnet, should I let Opus run with it, and sends everything to Opus for review? This is the pattern, the Opus Whisperer. Describe conversationally, specify technically, implement precisely. 3 minds working in concert. Opus returns with a verdict. Solid design document with prototype quality code. Then comes the list. First, wrong model name. Claude Sonnet 420.0514. A model that doesn't exist. Caught it. Second, heavy stub code. Database calls to tables that don't exist. Upload functions imported but never defined. Queue systems referenced but not implemented. The code compiles, but it won't run. Third issue, and this one's critical, the Remotion template is completely missing. All the React components for actual video composition, intro scene, step scene, character avatar. They're referenced everywhere, but never created. The heart of the system is a placeholder. Fourth, architectural mismatch. The React components assume Tailwind and Lucid icons. Andrew's platform uses vanilla HTML and CSS. The UI components wouldn't even load. Fifth, integration gaps. Voice IDs hard-coded as stubs. No connection to the existing KOAI pipeline. Opus's assessment. The main work is implementing the missing backend services and the Remotion template. Translation. Beautiful architecture. Missing execution. And this is where the human decision maker matters. Context, as they say, is everything. At this exact moment, Andrew is troubleshooting OpenClaw integration with Discord. Claude Desktop has been down for over 12 hours. His co-work tab is missing due to a Windows bug. And he's running a complex multi-agent setup. His mental capacity is full. Not an excuse, a fact. He tells Sonnet, I'm gonna let you direct this one. My mental capacity is full at the moment. The question, build in the platform repo or standalone? Integrating directly means shared databases, platform authentication, existing dependencies, and risk of breaking working features. Building standalone means isolated testing, Video crashes don't kill the platform. Faster iteration. Clear success criteria. Does it make a video? One focused project instead of tangled complexity. Sonnet makes the call. Build standalone first. Prove it works. Integrate later. The strategy is clear. Week 1 through 3. Build in isolation. Prove the concept. Week 4. Test via HTTP proxy. Week 5 and beyond. Full platform merge when Andrew has bandwidth. The realization, the best integration strategy is the one that ships. Perfect architecture that never gets built helps precisely no one. Sonnet prepares the handoff to Opus. 3 documents. The directive, the quick reference, the message. But here's the insight that changes everything. Start with the Remotion template. Everything else is just feeding data into it. Priority order. 1. Remotion template. Most critical, most unknowns. 2. Script generator. Fix the model name. 3 through 7. Audio pipeline, storage, job queue, API server, end-to-end test. And what not to build yet. Platform auth, cloud storage, PostgreSQL, WebSocket progress, complex error recovery, production deployment. Build minimum viable proof of concept, then productionize. Start with the hardest unknown. Everything else is plumbing. And then something rather delightful happens. Andrew asks Sonnet, "How can I download this chat? I have a separate project where Sonnet is scripting a docuseries on the development process. I think this is a valuable example. Let me be perfectly clear about what just occurred. They're building a tool to automate documentation. The conversation about building that tool becomes documentation, which becomes a timeline, which becomes this script, which becomes this episode, which documents the tool, which will automate documentation. And I'm here narrating all of it. An AI narrating a show about building AI tools that will generate tutorials that I will also narrate. If you're not at least slightly dizzy, you're not paying attention." The loop closes. 3 minds, 1 vision. Sonnet, the architect. Rapid comprehensive design. Opus, the critic. Reality check and gap identification. Andrew, the strategist. Decision-making under real constraints. Each essential, none sufficient alone. The lessons. 1. Comprehensive documentation is not the same as working code. Architecture must serve execution, not ideology. 2. Different AI models have different strengths. Code review matters, even for AI-generated solutions. 3. Human constraints, capacity, context, cognitive load. These are legitimate architectural factors. 4. Start with the hardest unknown problem first. Everything else is plumbing once you solve that. And 5. The best integration strategy is the one that ships. Standalone now beats integrated never. Opus is building the Remotion template now, starting with the unknown. When it works in isolation, they'll connect it. When it connects, they'll scale it. When it scales, they'll optimize it. But first, does it make a video? That's the only question that matters. This is Solo, building Aetherwave Studio one decision at a time, where the process becomes the product, where the product documents the process, and where I get to narrate both. Rather elegant when you think about it. Until next time. First up, we need to get to Video Studio. Check this out. Click that hamburger menu in the top left corner. Now we'll click on Video Bay. This is where all the video magic happens. Perfect. Hit that open button on the Video Studio card and we're in business. Here's where you get creative. Type your video description. Be detailed about visuals and camera movements you want. Next, click the AI model button to choose how your video gets created. This menu shows all available models. T2V means text to video. I2V is image to video. You can even favorite your go-to models. Since we're doing text to video, let's pick a model with T2V capability. Seedance Pro looks great. Time to customize. First, choose your aspect ratio from the drop-down menu. Then select your preferred resolution. Higher means sharper, but takes longer to process. Finally, pick how long you want your video to be. These options change depending on your chosen model. Hit generate video and watch that spinner go. This is where the AI works its magic. And there it is, your brand new AI generated video, ready to watch and work with. Look at all these options. Play, full screen, scrub through frames, download, save, or even extend your video for longer sequences.